how can I set my room up inexpensively for better acoustics? Well, Larry,
That's a good question.
that's not exactly what we do, but you know what? I made these panels back here.
We, d-
Um,
we.
she helped a little. You and me, but
We
mostly
watched
me.
Thor
But mostly
Ragnarok
me.
and made those.
So that's fair. You did help. You did help with that.
Staple gun.
But yeah, we got a staple gun and everything.
Mhm.
So this is just what 1x4.
Mhm.
You know, we actually, and then what's it called?
Safe and sound
Rock Salt.
insulation.
Yeah, that insulation's what's inside of these little panels back here. Like I said, it's 1x4. I just used untreated wood because we covered it all with some burlap, and that did a really good job. Actually, it sounds really good. You don't want to overtreat though. So, I mean, I know I had the plans just aesthetically. I liked the idea of having more of it, the visual in the room. And by the time I put half of it in, I'm like, whoa, we're done. Like there was too much, like there wasn't enough room noise. You kind of miss that as a singer sometimes. So,
yeah.
But it also kind of depends on what you're looking to do that for. And it's also important to note that for soundproofing that there are two different stages to soundproofing. One is sound absorption, which is what this is. The other is basically a really dense substance that prevents sound from moving through, like a wall or a door or whatever. And so this helps to absorb the reflections in the room so that it doesn't bounce around forever, right? Because a box is going to, the sound waves are going to bounce around. But if you, for example, if there's a lot of loud noise in here and we just had these, it would still transfer to the next room because there's not enough dense material to prevent that. So that's getting nerdy, and I'm going to stop talking because I'm going to get outside of my realm of expertise.
The other thing, Larry, you can do that's really simple is if you have a walk-in closet, sing there.
That's actually probably one of the best things you can do.
Your clothes absorb the sound a little bit.
No, for sure.
And I mean, again, depending on the door, if it's one of those sliding wicker doors, that's not right. But you know what I mean.
Wicker
one of those.
doors?
I know. I don't know why that
a sliding wicker door too. I'm just imagining that. It's like, I don't know.
Anyway.
Okay.
But a sliding wooden door with the slats, you know, you're not going to have too much help with that. But if it's a solid door, and Larry, you've been here, but you know, we have the solid door here, and then we put a curtain over that door so that
weather stripping crazy.
Yeah.
And I can't even tell you, we ripped out the wall on the other side of this, put in like all this.
But point being, closet, and try and fill in some gaps if you can between the door, and you're pretty golden as far as what you need to do. That's pretty inexpensively.
Yeah, no, for sure.